Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are also struggling with a low spec PC and facing constant lags, frame drops or random crashes while trying to play Minecraft Bedwars or other multiplayer servers, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll be showing you one of the most optimized and enhanced Minecraft 1.8 clients, designed to deliver ultra smooth gameplay even on low-end systems. And the best part is, it's completely free. Make sure to watch this video till the end as I'll guide you step by step on how to download, install and configure this client for the best experience. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's dive in. First of all, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type %appdata% and click OK. The Minecraft folder will appear. But if you right click on T launcher and select open file location, you'll reach the same folder. Now from here open the versions folder. Next download the file from the link I've given in the description. Once downloaded, right click on it and select extract here using WinRAR. Now copy the extracted folder and paste it inside the Minecraft versions folder. After that, open T launcher. If you're not good at Minecraft PvP or struggle with fast clicking, I've pinned another video in the description where I explain the best auto clicker for Minecraft PvP. Make sure to check it out. Now, in T launcher, click on the version drop down and find release CM pack 1.8.8. Click enter the game. It will start downloading some files from the internet, so just wait until it's done. When the game opens, it will download about 10 megabytes of additional updates. After that, quit the game and run it again. Now, the client has been successfully installed. Let me show you some of its amazing features. Press right shift to open the CM panel. From here you can enable different features and fully customize them as you like. There are tons of options like 3D skin layers, block overlay, custom crosshair, TNT timer, emotes, item physics and much more. You can use emotes by pressing B on your keyboard. If you want me to make a video on how to use CM cosmetics for free, let me know in the comments below. Now on the left side you'll see the settings option. From here, you can unlock premium-like options that are usually found only in paid clients. You can also disable unnecessary settings to make your game run even smoother according to your PC specs. Now, follow my next steps carefully to reduce lag and boost FPS. This can really change your gameplay experience. My game might look a bit laggy because of screen recording. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you never miss any future updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.